Ceramic coating has become a popular solution for car enthusiasts who want to protect and maintain the appearance of their vehicles. However, ceramic coating isn't just limited to cars. Boats and yachts can also benefit from ceramic coating, which provides superior protection against the harsh marine environment. Not only does this affect the aesthetics of the boat, but it can also lead to long-term damage if not properly addressed. Ceramic coating is a protective layer that is applied to the surface of boats and yachts to protect against these environmental factors. One of the main benefits of ceramic coating for boats and yachts is that it makes cleaning and maintenance much easier. In addition to making cleaning easier, ceramic coating also helps to maintain the appearance of the boat. Another benefit of ceramic coating for boats and yachts is that it helps to protect the surface against scratches and other forms of damage. In conclusion, ceramic coating is a highly beneficial investment for your RV or motorhome. It offers long-term protection from environmental damage, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions. Additionally, it provides an excellent glossy finish that enhances the appearance of your RV and makes it easier to clean. Come contact or call us now for more information.